good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I got another wig review for y'all today, and it is on the unit that I'm wearing on my head currently, and it is by Outre, and it's called Shawni. Before I get into this review, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll be updated when I am posting a new video. So like I said before, the unit that I got on my head right now is the Outre Shawni, and I purchased this unit from SamsBeauty. SamsBeauty is a good website as well. They have pretty fast shipping. I do also like that website along with Elevate Styles. It costed $29.99, which is pretty affordable. It's still less than $30, but I did find this same wig on Elevate Styles for $21. However, the shipping may bring it up to $30 if that's the only wig that you're purchasing, because I think Elevate Styles shipping is like $10, something like that. Now, I don't know why websites charge different prices for the same units. I'm sure it's a justifiable reason. Maybe they're getting it for different prices. The color that I got is DR27613, and that is like a blonde. It's like an ombre. I don't know if this brown. Hold on. Yeah, so the roots is like a dark brown, and then it goes to a medium brown, and then on to a blonde. And I've never worn blonde hair before. This is the first time officially, and I feel like this is a good wig for chocolate girls because it does have the ombre effect. I think it looks much better with the deeper roots than if it was to be straight blonde from root to end. So it's DR27613. That's the color, and it's also the same color that the model has on the website. So yeah, I wanted to step out of my comfort zone and try a blonde wig. I don't know for sure if I like it. I feel like it washes me out a little bit. It's just, I guess it's new for me. I'm not used to bright hair like this. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this color. So this unit contains 3 clips. It has 2 in the front, like on the side area, and 1 in the back. It comes with 2 adjustable straps. I'm not sure if it's big head friendly because this is pretty snug, and my braids are pretty, not flat, but it's flatter than it usually is because I washed my hair last week, so I re-braided them. I'm not sure if this is big head friendly because it feels snug on my head. I do have a big head. It may not look like it, but it's big, and I'm on the last hook and it feels snug. So I think you'll be able to get away with it, but if you wear like those wig grips and you got a big head, let the wig grip go. Let the wig grip go when you wear this wig, because you're gonna have a headache. I'm damn near having a headache right now. But yeah, I don't think this is as big head friendly as other wigs that I've tried on, but you can still try it if you want to. I'm just trying to give you a forewarning. For the little head girls, you should be good to go. Lucky. You should be good to go with this wig. It should be able to fit you perfectly. So this wig is synthetic hair, of course. It feels like a yaki texture with curls. It can take heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I may think about curling this in the future just to make it a little bit more curly. The parting is a Swiss lace L part, and I'll show you an up close view of the parting. I'll insert a clip for that. I do like the parting. It's pretty deep. It's about 5 inches, so it goes far back there. It stops like right there, almost at the crown of your head. This hair does tangle. I've run my fingers through it. When you first get it, it looks a little bit stringy. It looks similar, but you just have to rub your fingers through it to bring it more volume in it and make it look more cohesive. So my fingers do get tangled when I go through. This shouldn't be a wig that you're combing through or anything like that. I think it was pretty easy to style it with my fingers, but like, don't try to put a comb to this wig because you girl, it does tangle. So obviously this wig color is for the bold. They do have more wearable everyday colors like 1, 1B, 2, 4, all those, you know, wearable colors, subtle colors. They do have that. Like I said, I just wanted to step outside the box. I've never worn blonde hair before. What I do like about this wig is I like the length. I love long bobs, and I like how it's cut, kind of a light asymmetrical bob. I like the fullness of it. I like that it's not flat looking, and that, like I said, it comes after me rubbing my fingers through it. I didn't do much. I just put some concealer in a part and ran my fingers through it. One thing that I do not like is the shedding. When I was running my hands through this wig a few seconds ago, tons of hair has been coming out. Every single time it's a strand, 2 strands, 3 strands coming out. I do not like the shedding of this wig. It may not be it's not like the worst shedding I've ever had in a wig. It could be better. I'm getting hair on my shirt and stuff like that. That's the one thing I do not like about this wig. I do wish that they had a couple more clips for the adjustable straps for the big head girls, because not only that, like some of us can't get our braids to lay flat all the time so that it can fit into a wig. So I think they need to take that into consideration. Overall, I do like the wig. I give it like a B solid because of the shedding. I think that it was constructed beautifully. I love the way that the hair feels. I love the volume. I love the curls. I love this particular color, the ombre style. It looks more wearable on my skin tone. I like the length, but I do not like that shedding, and I do not like how tight it is. Let me know what you guys thought of this review. Let me know what you guys think of this wig. Let me know if you have this wig or if you intend on purchasing this wig, and I will talk to you guys later. Peace.